Welcome to JCE Connect. Today we are going to discuss about lab, foundry and forging, welding, that is 18ML38B experiment, hardness, test. Myself Dr. Anand K. Hosmani, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Outline of the presentation: aim, apparatus, procedure and result. We will see the aim. It is to prepare the hardness of the given green sand mold. Means we are going to check the hardness of this given green sand mold. Apparatus, that we are going to use sand rammer, weight balance, distilled water and sand. This is a mold hardness tester. Here we are going to have, that is a plastic sleeve above, and here we are going to have the metallic sleeve. Above this we have the plastic sleeve as a cover, and here we are going to have, that is a metallic sleeve. Here we are going to have the dial, and below this is a ring, and below this part we are going to have a tip. Below we are going to have this a curved tip we are going to have. And here what actually happened, the hardness of the sand mold can be easily tested by means of the hardness tester. This is a hardness tester. It is a very handy instrument working on the principle of dryness hardness testing machine. It carries a hemispherical ball. Here below this ring part we are going to have the hemispherical ball or a tip at its bottom of this ring, which is penetrated into the mold surface. Here this is the mold surface where this hemispherical ball has going to penetrate. Okay, penetration is going to happen here, and a spring loaded shaft inside the hollow body of instrument actuates, and the needle, here we are going to have the needle actuates, and the instrument actuates the needle of the dial gauge fitted at the top. This needle fitted at the top, hemispherical ball is at the bottom of the ring. The dial of the gauge provides direct reading. Here when it penetrates, this hemispherical ball penetrates in the sand mold, you are going to get directly the reading here. And we are going to have that is the mold surface hardness is the resistance to be offered by the surface of the green sand mold. An instrument for determining the mold surface hardness shall measure the depth of penetration into at 90-degree angle to the mold surface. In the next we will see. Before that, that is procedure. First we will prepare the sand preparation by using the distilled water and the sand. We will add the moisture by using the distilled water. Second, we will ram to get this sand specimen, that is step third. And here we will see, that is we can apply the load at a 90-degree angle to the mold surface. This is the mold surface. We have, that is the plunger here. An instrument for determining the mold surface hardness shall measure the depth of penetration into the mold surface of plunger having a load applied at 90-degree angle to the mold surface. And next, that mold hardness we have, that is the core hardness is the resistance offered by the surface of the dry sand core. And to determine the hardness of the given green sand, mold hardness tester is vertically placed. Here we are going to place vertically placed over the mold, so that the tip just touches the hemispherical ball tip just touches the mold. Gently press so that the needle moves down. penetrates the mold surface. That hemispherical is going to penetrate the mold surface. Note down the reading on the dial gauge. Here in the dial gauge you can note down the reading, gives the hardness number, and here we can see that is result hardness of the mold is 75. Here we can check that is 60, 70, and here this is 75, 80. Here we are going to get this reading. Okay. Thank you very much all of you for hearing patiently.